Welcome to Moving to Portugal Daily, Episode 1. I'm Mateus Costa. Today, we cover 5 income portfolios that pass D7/D8, Euro exact proofs for irregular earners, with the latest numbers and practical steps. Bom dia from Portugal. In the next 9 minutes, I will give you clear monthly Euro figures, exact document lists, and copy-ready phrasing you can adapt this week.
Quick update first. CEF's procedural guidance on income proof remains the same in 2026. They want stable, verifiable means, not promises or projections. The recurring bottleneck I still see is paperwork presentation. Applicants earn enough, but the file reads as irregular or uncorroborated, and the officer requests refusal or more evidence. Today, I fix that by turning your irregular cash flows into 5 concrete, CEF-friendly portfolios with exact Euro targets and the exact documents and phrasing that reduce follow-up requests.
Section 1. Rules in plain Euros and what CEF counts. Start with a baseline. To avoid edge cases, present a stable net income equivalent of roughly 1,200 euros per month for a single applicant. If you're applying as a couple, present roughly 1,800 euros monthly. For each dependent child, add about 300 euros per month. These are conservative, compliance-first targets designed to clear routine checks. What CEF accepts? Employment salary, net, evidenced by contract and pay slips. Documented freelance income, invoices plus bank receipts. Rental income with lease and tax receipts. Pensions and dividends if shown as recurring payments. And liquid savings that demonstrably cover 12 to 24 months of living costs. Timing. Provide recent evidence, bank statements and pay slips covering the last 3 to 12 months. For patterns, CEF prefers 12 months of history for freelancers and rental revenue. Convert foreign income into euros with a clear exchange rate note and show the bank receipts where the funds landed. Always attach a 1-page summary that lists totals in euros, the period covered, and a line that reads, average net income for period X to Y is Euro Z, documented in attachments A to F. That sentence removes ambiguity.
Section 2. The 5 income portfolios with exact numbers, documents, and sample wording you can adapt. Portfolio A. Savings or capital-backed support. Present either actual recurring interest or dividend payments, or if you rely on a lump sum, show liquid savings that cover 12 to 24 months. Practical number. For a single applicant, use a 24-month coverage target of 28,800 euros. That's 1,200 euros times 24. Documents. 12 months of bank statements showing the balance, a bank letter confirming current balance and availability, and a signed personal declaration. Sample wording for your 1-page summary. I hold 30,000 euros in liquid savings in account X. I commit to cover living expenses of 1,200 euros per month for the next 24 months. Statements attached. Portfolio B. Remote employment on contract. Target monthly. Present a net salary of at least 1,200 euros per month. Documents. Signed employment contract translated to English or Portuguese. Last 6 pay slips, or 12 if available, employer letter confirming ongoing remote role and payment cadence, and recent bank statements showing salary deposits. Sample phrasing, employment contract dated DDDMMMMYYYY, net monthly salary 1,300 euros, evidenced by pay slips and bank deposits. Portfolio C, freelance invoices plus retainer. Target, show a 12-month average equal to or above 1,200 euros per month. That's total invoices of 14,400 euros over 12 months. Documents, full set of invoices, bank receipts, evidence of at least 1 ongoing retainer or signed client agreement for future work, and a short explanation of seasonality. Preferred sentence, average net freelance income for 01/2025/12/2025, 1,450 euros per month. Total, 17,400 euros. Attach invoices and bank receipts. Retainer with client Y confirms ongoing work. Portfolio D, rental income. Target, present consistent net rental receipts of at least 1,200 euros per month, or combined with other income to reach baseline. Documents, current leases, tenant payment receipts and bank statements for 12 months, and tax returns or receipts showing declared rental income. Preferred phrasing, lease agreement dated DDDMMMMYYYY for property Z, net rent 750 euros per month, tax receipts and bank entries attached. Portfolio E, mixed sources. Combine smaller streams. Example, freelance 700 euros average plus rental 500 euros equals 1,200 euros. For mixed files, present a clear sum line and attach separate evidence for each stream. Example combined phrasing. Freelance average 700 euros per month plus rental net 550 euros per month equals 1,250 euros per month, supporting invoices, leases, and bank evidence included.
Section 3. What most people miss and a 30-90-day action checklist you can follow now. First, 3 common mistakes. 1. Showing gross amounts rather than net. SEF reads net cash received. Present net euros after taxes or clearly state net. 2. Poor cross-currency documentation. If you're paid in USD, GBP, CAD, convert totals to euros on your one-page summary using the bank's conversion rate from the deposit date and attach the conversion evidence. Ambiguous wording like approximately or expected triggers questions. Replace with precise averages and dated evidence. 3. One-off large transfers labeled as income. Large deposits need supporting contracts or sale agreements. Otherwise, they look like gifts or unexplained transfers and will lead to requests for clarification. Now the 30-90-day checklist to convert a weak file into a passing portfolio. Day 1 to 7. Create your one-page Euro summary template, period covered, totals, exchange rates, and the signature line. Day 7 to 30. Pull 3 to 12 months of bank statements. Tag each deposit to matching invoices, payslips, or lease receipts. Request a bank letter confirming balances and availability. Day 30 to 60. Secure at least one retainer or employer letter that confirms continuity. If you rely on savings, move funds to a single liquid account and obtain a bank confirmation. Day 60 to 90. Prepare certified translations of non-English documents. Assemble tax receipts or declared returns if available, and have a lawyer or certified consultant review the one-page summary and attachments. Quick templates to use. Exact sentence templates for contracts, a retainer confirmation clause I provide in the toolkit, and a bank letter request script. Small wins you can do in 30 days. Get a signed retainer, collect 3 months of matched invoices to banks, and request the bank balance letter. These 3 items alone often convert an uncertain file into an acceptable one. CTA. If you want the exact templates, annotated sample files, and the one-page summary I described, enroll in the Income Proof Toolkit. It includes copy-ready one-page summaries in Euro format, invoice-to-bank matching worksheet, retainer and employer letter templates, bank letter request script, conversion example for foreign salaries, and 3 annotated sample files that mimic real SEF-friendly submissions. Use the toolkit to adapt the sample wording to your dates and amounts, and always get certified translations where needed. Visit movingtoportugal.com/toolkit to enroll and download the files today. Let's run the numbers and make your move to Portugal. That's your clear action plan for today. Apply it and move closer to your Portugal life. In the next episode, I'll break down NHR-compatible income reporting for freelancers who want to optimize tax filings after residency approval. Subscribe, get the toolkit if you need the templates, and send questions to the show page. Obrigado. See you tomorrow.